Good morning, everybody. Let us discuss open price action for tomorrow, Monday, because the prices still continue to squeeze up. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for just educational purposes and will not provide any financial advice. So always you do the diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, guys, let us discuss the price action for of course, open. And as you can see here, after the earnings back in 5th of August, we have like 22% suppressed down for the earnings and still negative, but the revenue is really doing all right, and we actually like the over expectation almost by 4%, around 1.57 billion. And you see what's going on here. We have two major trends. The first one was here. We go back in time, guys, but after that we're gonna go in the future what's gonna happen, because this is really important. You see what's happened. We have a parabolic price actions in July. We have a huge parabolic reaction from the 60 cent. If you don't know, open was 60 cent and jumped until almost the $5, and then we have a huge selling pressure, and now we have another parabolic reaction up. Of course, we went down a bit every time here, but we're still holding this trend. You see here, we have this white line acting as a resistance, and now we have another white line acting as a support for open. For now, we have to discuss the major squeeze level, because why we jumping 11%, not more, because we getting near a major resistance, as we discussed before, not around the 10, but just below the $8, around the $8 and $7.40. And you see what's happened here. Last Friday, we have a bit of accumulation here, just around this, just below the 7, because we getting near this green box, which is, for my opinion, the turning point for another mega squeeze. Because if we don't break it, it's mean we're gonna have a pullback down to recorrect from the 5, and potentially the most important support that we should hold is over the 5.35 and the $5. So the $5, for my opinion, over the $5 is the level that we should hold open if we have this test and this pullback. So if we pull back here, it should be a really good reversal zone for another jump up, because if we broke the 5, is mean a weakness, and it's not end of the road for open. No, it's me a correction. So as long as we hold the 5 and the 5.35, we're still in the correction up. And of course, in the meantime, I'm watching currently the first support around the 577, where we reversed from it last Friday, guys. Last Friday, you see what's happened. We have a pullback and then a correction up. That's why we close around 11% up, and almost 600 million or over have a billion worth of volume. So this is a really good indicator that we have a lot of whales buying, a lot of traders interested in buying and actually holding open. That's why every pullback, guys, every pullback, we have huge reversal for open up. And of course, we discuss open many times on our Discord, and you see here we always do update for open, because to watch out for the dip or the reversal. And the best entry actually was for this month. Let me just show you. If you don't know, guys, we always do update for open, not even open, but mini stocks every day after we finish our live streaming that we do always free on YouTube. 30 minutes before the market open, and here every time we do update for open. As you can see here, before we said the $6.35 is the resistance, then we open again, updated around the $4.93. We said the resistance, the support, where we have the breakout around the $3.80. So we always have updates. So I'm not just discussing open right now once the price almost touches the 7, but we already been talking about open on our Discord and Bitcoin below even the $3.80, where we have the first squeeze for open up. The link in the comment section below, guys, if you want to join our Discord and Bitcoin for second by second, minute by minute update for mini stocks, because every time we do update for the pre-market and of course before the market close. So for open, guys, as we said, watch out for Monday next week, test for the $7.40 and $8. If we broke it, yes, we might have almost the $10 around the 970. If we didn't, hallelujah, no problem. We have another strategy to watch out for the dip around first the 577, then the 535 and $5 for a major reversal. So guys, if you're not already subscribe, and of course support the channel. Put a comment below about What you think the price will go next week? Are we gonna have the test for the $8 before a pullback, before even the pullback down, or are we gonna have a pullback around the $5 before going over the $8? Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow. 30 minutes. Don't forget, 30 minutes before the market close to discuss open live and trade it together. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.